Hi guys, welcome to Spotaria channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to iPhone ringtone set. First thing first, open setting on your phone and scroll down a bit. Then you'll find sounds and haptics. Click it. And you'll be presented a page to set your phone ringtone. You can turn on or off the vibrate mode. It's optional. You also can set the loudness, or you can handle it later by the button when someone calls, like this. And then scroll a bit more. You can choose which tone you'll set. For example, I'll set my ringtone. There are a lot of vibration options if you want it. And below also many tone options. Well, for other tones such as text tone, new voicemail, etc. is the same way as setting a ringtone. So guys, that's all a simple tutorial from me how to iPhone ringtone set. See you on the other tutorial and good luck.